It is our practice or our way of life also as Christian and Catholics to really give something for the Lord. At kapag tayo po ay hinihingan ng donasyon or asked to contribute for a certain cause, especially if we know that that cause is for charity and for the good of those who will benefit, we usually give. Kaya natural na sa atin ang magbigay at tumulong. But, of course, when we give and extend our help, there's another level. No? Again, we are being judged not so much on what is inside of us, because hindi naman nakakikita yan at hindi rin naman na-examine. But usually, when we give, when we donate, the usual way we judge the generosity of a person is by the amount he or she gives. Kaya may tendency po tayo na tignan na ang mas matulungin, ang mas maraming magbigay, the more generous is our appreciation of the giver is the one who gives the bigger amount. By today's usual standard, the offerings of wealthy people are considered more generous than the offering of a poor widow. My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel, Jesus shows us another way of looking at giving, which is measured not so much by the amount of the gift as by the spirit behind the gift. The widow gave from her want, from her need, because the gratitude of the woman for God was so great that she gave from her very subsistence. For her, an offering to God deserved to be the best. And so, she offered her whole livelihood. My dear brothers and sisters, for Jesus, generosity or even extending help is measured not by how costly is the gift, but by the heart of one who offers it. The sacrifice that is behind the gift, even though it might appear meager by the worldly standards. Of course, we want to praise the Lord. We want to please Him. But again, the story of our gospel today proves that indeed God's thoughts and ways are different from us. Let us continue to be generous, not because people might praise or even recognize us, but we continue to be generous because God is so generous to us. Let us give our best to give everything we have for the Lord. And you know na ang pagpapala at blessing ay higitan pa sa ibinibigay natin sa Kanya. Kaya let us, inspired by the poor widow in the story of our gospel for today, Let us give everything to the Lord. And through His providence, He will guide us in all that we need and want in this life.